What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a FLUXnode update, guys. We are running on month, if I'm not mistaken, we are on month, going on month 5 here, guys. 6/8/2021 is the node date. For the 8th is the date in general. Here we are, we're at the 10th. It's hot. It's currently like 95 degrees in my office, so I had turned the rig off in the background so I could do the video, because otherwise it's even hotter. Having some cooling issues getting the air out, but jeezers, it's hot here. But we're going with the FLUXnode update, guys. But first, the 1K sub giveaway is happening this Saturday, guys. That is the 12th. So June 12th is the 1K sub giveaway, guys. That is going to be happening. And of course, we are going to have a nice, fun live stream on that one. So this Saturday morning live stream will be the giveaway. And that'll be at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so aeonpool.tech is going to be donating 200 Aeon, guys. Red Panda Mining will be donating 100 ETH. $100 in ETH, sorry, $100 in ETH. Freaking awesome, guys. Chump Change XD is giving away a 6-pack of GPU hangers. I got them right here. They are color purple, and they will, or no, they are not the purple ones. Yes, purple ones, yep. And they will be going away, giving those away. I'll be sending those out. I have them here with me. They're DCA edition, as well as I'll be giving away 500 Flux. Doge will be giving away a CryptoMykel Designs t-shirt, and that is one of the new designs on dogelord.com, guys. But today we're going to be talking about the FLUXnode earnings from the past month. Now, we did have an incident where we did not have some earnings for a little bit. If I can pull that up right here. So as you can see right here on this picture, between the 12th and the 16th, the node was having issues. There was a big update, and mine was having an issue reconnecting, so I had to reconfigure some stuff and then be about my way. Not everybody suffered from this. It was posted in their Discord, and it was very easily fixable. But I just had to redo some things, and it was just fighting me. It could have been just the way I was running it, but had to update some stuff, and we are back on track as of then. So we missed out on a couple of days, so that will affect our monthly earnings, of course. But still is what it is. But guys, make sure the 15th of June, which I'm giving away some Flux, 500 Flux on the 12th. So the winner of those 500 Flux will actually qualify for this snapshot right here, as long as they hold it in their Zelcore wallet in a transparent address. They will get a Flux ETH and a Flux BSC parallel asset, guys. That is going to be freaking amazing, and you'll be able to use those onto the correlating DeFi projects, of course Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum's DeFi. So that'll be awesome. You'll be able to claim that from inside of your Zelcore wallet. There's an app, and it's called the Fusion app, and you'll be able to join in right then and there. So, and you'll be able to claim all that. So, using the Fusion app. Super simple, super easy. We have a video on it actually, but we'll talk about it again, of course, when that happens. Now, if you do have your holdings from the last parallel asset drop, your KDA Flux assets do count now. So, if you're holding those still, which most of you probably still are, Kadena hasn't gone through all the way with their decks, so you probably still got them. You'll claim your parallel assets on those as well. So as long as they're in a transparent address, you'll get the parallel assets for free. And if you need to download the Zelcore wallet, guys, I love the Zelcore wallet. It is freaking fantastic. Love it. I use it quite often as a daily driver wallet anyway. So head over here to zelcore.io. A link will be in the description below, and you can download the wallet. So let's get started here, and let's start talking about the parallel assets, or not the parallel assets, the node earnings for the last month. Right there. So, as you can see, here is what we are currently sitting at. We're at 100%. We got the date. We are currently sitting at 1,324 flux in the earnings wallet. You can still see we still have the 10K flux locked up, but of course we always have access to it because we own the private keys to this node. It is our node. We control it. Now, as you can see right here, as of last month, the current total running of the last 4 months of earnings was 1,077 and 0.187. Well, so we can easily just go up over here. Currently have 1324.68 7. Now we're just going to minus. It's 7. That is going to leave us with 247 flux currently after all of that, but today is the 10th, so we have to minus out these two transactions right here. So if I'm not mistaken, yes, for sure, contradicting myself over here. So we need a minus 5.625 minus 5.625 equals 236.25. So 236.250 is the current running of flux for this last month. As you can see, that is the lowest amount that we've earned over the past 5 months. So there we go. Currently we can do 1077, preemptively get ourselves ready for next month. 87 plus this month's 236.250 equals, oh, I did minus. Swoop. 187 plus 236.25 equals 13. Just copy that there. That is the new running total currently. So there we go, guys. That is the current standard or state of earnings for the past 5 months of earnings. So freaking fantastic, guys. We can check real fast on the price of that and what that really is. Flux is currently at 19 cents right here, right there, as you can see. So 236.25, so that is about $44 at current price. Flux is at 0.18 cents, so we're at 18 cents. Not too shabs. Of course, we're down a little bit, but we are up overall, especially the past 14 days, 30 days, and last year. So not financial advice, but good investment, I think, because I'm just holding 10,000 flux and running this node, and I'm making this every month. The average, we're kind of looking around here, I'd say about 250 a month would be a good running average in flux per month that I've been getting. So about $46 to $47 roughly currently a month, which is good for me. I make more flux. I'm not really worried about the USD value. I'm making 250 more flux every single month off of just my holdings. So freaking fantastic, guys. We'll catch y'all later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to be there Saturday morning and the morning live stream. We might move it back a little later depending on what's going on, but It'll be at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we will have the 1K sub giveaway. See y'all next time, guys.